Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add nicknames and change emojis and colors on Facebook Messenger. This is a fun way to personalize your conversations and make them feel more unique. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open Facebook Messenger and click on a conversation you want to customize. This could be a chat with a friend, family member, or anyone you regularly message. Once you've selected the conversation, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an information icon there, usually represented by a small circle with an eye inside it. Go ahead and click on this icon to access the conversation settings and customization options. Now let's start by adding a nickname. This feature allows you to give yourself or the other person in the chat a fun or personalized name that will appear in your conversation. Look under the profile name section and you'll see an option labeled nickname. Click on it to proceed. This opens up the nickname settings where you can assign custom names to anyone in the conversation. Next, click Set Nickname. You'll see options to add nicknames either for yourself or for the other people in the chat. This is particularly useful if you have inside jokes or prefer to call someone by a specific name. Select the person you want to add a nickname for, then type in the nickname you'd like to use in the input field. Once you've entered the nickname, click Set to save your changes. The new nickname will now appear in your conversation instead of the regular name. After setting the nickname, go back to the main conversation settings. Now click on Customize to access more personalization features. This section gives you control over the visual appearance of your entire conversation, making it more enjoyable and tailored to your preferences. In the Customize menu, click on Theme at the top. This is where you can change the colors of your conversation, giving it a completely different look and feel. You'll see a variety of color themes and gradient options displayed on your screen. Take a moment to browse through them and find one that matches your style or mood. Simply choose the theme you want by clicking on it, then click Select to apply it to your conversation. The color change will be reflected immediately in your chat. Once you've set your theme, click Customize again to access additional options. This time, navigate to the top and click on Quick Reaction. This feature lets you choose a default emoji that will appear when you or the other person reacts quickly to a message. You'll see a selection of emojis to choose from, so pick one that you use frequently or that represents your conversation style. Click on your chosen emoji to set it as your quick reaction, and that's it. You've successfully personalized your Facebook Messenger conversation by adding nicknames, changing the color theme, and selecting a custom quick reaction emoji. These small customizations can make your chats more fun and expressive. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.